Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Viber on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log out of your Viber on your Android, let's open up our Viber app first. And after opening your Viber app, you can see the more button available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that more button, and on this interface you can see the settings option available over here just below the start a group chat. Tap on settings, and on this interface you can see the general option available over here just at the bottom of the list. Tap on general, and over here at the bottom of the list again you can see the exit option available over here. If you tap on exit, you will exit out of Viber like this, and you will not be logged out, but you'll be exiting the Viber. When you turn it on or tap it on, you'll be again logged in. But to log out of the Viber permanently from your phone, tap on settings or your phone settings, because you will not be able to log out of your Viber from your Viber app itself, but we will be clearing the data, which is also similar to logging out of the Viber. So scroll down and search for apps on your settings, and there is the apps. Tap on apps, and after that on the top right corner of your screen there is the search icon. Tap on that search icon and search for Viber, and there is the Viber option available over here. Tap on Viber, and on this interface you are seeing every install property of the Viber which is on our phone, and there is the storage. Let's go to storage, and over here you can see the clear data option available over here at the bottom left corner of your screen. If you tap on the clear data, any information on your Viber regarding your number, your account will be wiped out of that phone or the device you're currently using. And if you tap on clear data, you'll be also logged out of the Viber on that device you're using. But for now I'll not be clearing my data because it's of use to me. And there guys, this is how you log out of your Viber on your Android phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.